Yo, Grant here with TrunkMate, and this is the RuumiBox car camper. The RuumiBox is available in two sizes, the single bed and the double bed. Oh, what? You don't see how this is a bed? Come around back here, let me show you. Just fold down your back seats and pull out the integrated bed frames. All the way out. You can just rest these bed frames directly on the seat back, but we include a few different sizes of these wooden support pieces here so you can fine-tune the height and the angle of the bed to your specific vehicle. Now just unfold the bed platforms. Throw your favorite mattress down on top and get some sleep for your big adventure tomorrow. The RuumiBox bed is 6 feet long in its default position and is adjustable to fit your vehicle's usable space. Underneath the platform, the bed frame actually extends out farther to a maximum of 6 feet 4 inches long. So all of you tall people, just pull that bed frame all the way out, and now you have support for your extra long mattress. And for a shorter bed, simply fold over the last section of the sleeping platform and adjust the bed frame to the correct length. Okay, now let's take a look at the storage space built in underneath the bed. These drawers stay locked in the closed position so that all of your gear stays put when you're driving over the washboarded roads to get to your campsite. And when you open them up, they stay locked in the out position as well, so that you have complete access to your drawer even if you park your car on a hill. For both of these drawers, you have these nice removable countertops which are perfect for meal prep and cooking. And underneath here, you have these deep drawers which are ideal for storing all of your gear. You can put large things in here like your camp stove, or use the included drawer dividers to further subdivide the space for your smaller items. These drawers easily disconnect for easy loading and unloading. And under here, you can lock the two sides of the bed together for extra stability. Now let me get this mattress out of here so I can show you how easy it is to fold up the bed into the trunk. And just like that, now you have a seat here in the car for picking up hitchhikers. The RuumiBox Double was designed to fit snugly between the wheel wells inside of most mid-size SUVs like this Toyota RAV4. Check out your vehicle's compatibility on our website. Each side of the RuumiBox weighs only 30 pounds, so it's super easy to load and unload this thing by yourself. And on the four corners here, we have these anchor points so that you can secure the kit to the floor of your vehicle. The RuumiBox is available in a single size as well, which fits practically any SUV, crossover, minivan, hatchback, you name it, and offers you all of this space beside the bed for extra storage. And that is the RuumiBox car camper. They're available on our website and we ship them for free anywhere in the US. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Peace.